Welcome to our channel Philosophize and Psych, where we dive deep into the realms of philosophy and psychology. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of aura colors and discovering what your energy reveals about you. Auras are the subtle energy fields that surround every living being. They are believed to reflect our emotions, thoughts, and even our spiritual state. But what do these colors mean? Let's explore. Each color in your aura has a unique significance. Here are some common aura colors and what they might reveal about you. Red. Passion, energy, and a strong will. You are likely a dynamic and driven individual if your aura is red. Orange. Creativity and emotional balance. An orange aura suggests you are a creative thinker and emotionally intelligent. Yellow. Joy, intellect, and optimism. A yellow aura indicates a bright, positive outlook on life. Green. Healing, growth, and compassion. Those with a green aura are often nurturing and empathetic. Blue. Calm, communication, and truth. A blue aura signifies a peaceful and honest nature. Purple. Spirituality and intuition. A purple aura is often seen in individuals who are deeply connected to their spiritual side. White. A white aura is one of the rarest and most spiritually advanced energy fields. It indicates someone exceptionally pure of heart and mind, with high integrity and a strong drive to be of service. White auras represent healing, wisdom, psychic intuition. While auras cannot usually be seen with the naked eye, you can feel them through someone's vibe. Have you ever instantly clicked with someone before even speaking? Or felt uneasy around another for no clear reason? Those gut reactions stem from unconsciously sensing that person's aura. Seeing auras takes practice, but it's a skill anyone can develop. Here's how you can start. Number 1. Relax and focus. Find a quiet place and relax your mind. Focus on the person or object whose aura you want to see. Number 2. Soft gaze. Look at the person with a soft gaze, focusing on the area around their head and shoulders. Number 3. Observe the colors. With practice, you may start to see faint colors or light around them. Trust your intuition and note the colors you see. A bright, vibrant aura suggests you are in a positive, energetic state. A dull or muddy aura might indicate stress or negative emotions. Shifts in aura colors can reflect changes in your mood or energy levels. Here are some tips to enhance and balance your aura. Meditation. Regular meditation helps clear and strengthen your aura. Healthy lifestyle. Eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep contribute to a vibrant aura. Positive thinking. Surround yourself with positive energy and thoughts to keep your aura bright and healthy. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. Share your aura color discoveries in the comments below and let us know how this journey has impacted you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Stay curious, stay colorful, and until next time, keep shining bright. Thanks for watching.